Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Top 10 School and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss more tutorials like this. First, open your Flutter project in VS Code. Then open the new terminal. Type this command and hit enter. This single command will build your APK file for different device types. It may take a few minutes, so grab a sip of coffee and wait until it's done. I have also added this command in the video description below for you. Once the build completes, open this folder. Here you will see 3 APKs. Each one is made for a specific CPU type. For most modern Android phones, use this. Now simply copy that APK to your smartphone and install it just like a normal Android app. And that's it. You have successfully built your own Flutter APK using only one simple command